Hello knitting friends, and welcome back to Knit the Stitch. Today I'm knitting this beautiful lace design. This is the front of the work and this is how it looks on the back. This lovely design has columns with eyelet holes going up the fabric, and each one is separated by a few reverse stockinette stitches. The yarn overs in the pattern create the lace holes, and we knit through the backs of the stitches to make the columns. It's knit over multiples of 7 stitches with 2 extra stitches, and this piece has 5 repeats of the pattern going across. So if you're ready, grab your needles and some yarn and let's get on with the knitting. I've cast on 2 multiples of 7 here, 14, plus the 2 extra stitches to give me 16 stitches. And the design is knit over a 4-row pattern repeat, and I've already knit 3 repeats of the 4-row pattern, and I'm ready to start again with row 1. I'll put all the pattern details down in the description box below for you, so take a look there, and please subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. So row 1 with the right side facing, we start by purling the first 2 stitches. And then the pattern repeat begins. Now this appears between the asterisks in the written pattern. We need to knit through the back loop. So with the yarn in the back, find the back of the next stitch, put the needle through as though to knit, wrap the yarn, and bring it through. This twists the stitch. Yarn over, and then we have slip, slip, so slip the next 2 stitches onto the right hand needle, take them back to the left hand needle and knit them together. Knit the next stitch and then pass the 2 you knit together over the one you've just knit. Yarn over, again knit through the back loop, so finding the back of the stitch, bringing the yarn around, purl 2, 1, 2, and we repeat the pattern again, knit through the back of the stitch, yarn over, slip, slip, return those 2 to the left hand needle, knit them together, knit the next stitch, and then pass the previous one over that. Yarn over, knit through the back loop, and finally purl 2. Turning the work to start row 2. Row 2 with the wrong side facing. Knit the first 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and then we start the pattern repeat, which is between the asterisks in the written pattern. So purl through the back loop, so go in as though to purl and pick up the back of the loop, bring the yarn around, and then take the yarn to the back for knit 3, 1, 2 and 3. Now we'll do that purl through the back loop again, bring the yarn forwards, don't take the yarn into the front of the stitch but find the back of the stitch, bring the yarn round and through. Knit the next 2 stitches, 1 and 2, and repeat that. So purl through the back loop, finding the back of the stitch, yarn is in front as though to purl, wrap the yarn, taking the yarn to the back, knit 3, 1, 2 and 3. Bring the yarn forward again and purl through the back of the stitch, twisting the stitch, yarn to the back, knit the last 2 stitches, turning the work for row 3 and purl the first 2 stitches on this row, purling 1 and 2, and the pattern repeat begins. So take the yarn to the back and knit through the back of the loop, not the front, the back. Knit the next 3 stitches, so keeping the yarn at the back, knit 1, 2 and 3, and again we have another knit through the back loop. So finding the back of the stitch, taking the needle through, yarn to the front, purl 2, 1 and 2, and repeat the pattern. So knit through the back of the next stitch, knit 3, 1, 2 and 3, and again keeping the yarn at the back, knit through the back loop, and finally yarn to the front, purl 2, 1 and 2. Row 4, knit the first 2 stitches on row 4, 1 and 2, and then we start the pattern repeat, and it's purl, so bring the yarn to the front and find the back of the stitch, purl through the back of the stitch, keeping the yarn in front, purl 3, knit through the back of the loop, purl through the back of the loop, knit the next 2, and repeat the sequence. So yarn in front, purl through the back of the loop, purl 3, and 3, purl through the back of the next stitch, and knit 2. I'll put all the pattern details down in the description box below, but that's all there is to this knit stitch. I hope you found it useful. Please subscribe, and until next time, enjoy knitting all your stitches.